Hi guys! So my friends and I made really cool plans for today for an adventure, and we will be heading to New York City to do a doors off helicopter flight above New York. And I would say, let's go, let's get started.
I don't know how to enjoy it. Every time you tell me it's not there, I suppose that we won't stand a chance. We won't stand a chance. Something that will blow my mind. If I have learned one thing, it's wasting time. I don't know how to enjoy it. Every time you tell me it's not there, I suppose that we won't stand a chance.
Hi guys! So we're done with our flight. It was amazing. It was freezing cold up there, but it was such a beautiful view. We had the best weather, and we also upgraded to 30 minutes instead of 20 minutes, which I can recommend because you can see like the whole city. You can see Central Park. It's really nice. So I definitely recommend this. Go check it out. And I first have to warm up. See you later.
I suppose that we won't stand a chance. We won't stand a chance.